It's another problem for Tippmann X7 Phenom M16 edition. Let us test first the firing mode. The sound's not good when shooting. What seems to be the problem? First, remove the paintball tank by rotating the tank counterclockwise while clicking the trigger. It is to avoid damaging the O-ring in paintball tank. You must not forget that, otherwise you will waste your money for new O-ring. Fixing paintball marker are easy and fun. Set aside the tank. Remove the hopper. Next, remove the cyclone feed system assembly. Then test if it is working properly by pushing the feeder reset rod. T's not rotating properly. This one need to repair. I will show you on next video how to fix this cyclone feeder assembly. Let us fix first the issue of this marker. Remove the barrel by rotating counterclockwise. Then the tactical shroud. In separating the upper and lower receiver, push the 3 push pin. Pull out the collapsible car stock. Then the lower receiver. After that, you need to test the trigger assembly. If it is working properly by pressing the trigger lever while clicking the trigger. It's working good. Now let's work on power tube. By removing pressure gauge assembly, pull it up. Check if the O-ring have damage. This one is good. Next, remove the CF's hose fitting assembly. You need to pull it up by using flathead screwdriver. Check also the O-ring if there's a damage. Okay, it's good. Here's the power tube. You also need to check the compression spring if it is broken. By opening the power tube, rotate the regulator body counterclockwise. Make sure to tighten the regulator piston assembly. Now, let's work on internal parts. Let's see what's happening here. So far, everything is good. This is the problem. Compression spring is broken. It need to replace with a new one. Here's the new compression spring. In reassembling the marker, you need to lubricate all the O-rings in power tube. Also the O-ring in CF's hose assembly and pressure gauge valve. Okay, let's reassemble the marker.
Bakit? Marunong naman.
Wala kasi yung charger na ito. Hindi ko buhay yata doon.
Ha? Ngayon lang. Tapusin ko lang to. Oo. Tapusin ko lang to. Oo. Bakit? Saan ka? Tropa? Ah. Ikaw, maghahanap na ng merienda. Wala pala. Testing.
Well done! Thank you!